Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your YouTube channel country name. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com in the address bar. Now go to this address. After opening YouTube Studio, select your channel from the top right corner. After that, zoom in with 2 fingers and scroll down. Then, below, click on the settings icon. Now click on the channel option. From here, select the country that you want. After that, click on Save. That's it. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.